Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm back again with another short video. This one's more of an edit of an old video, but I wanted to dig into my mandates with guitar greats Joey Landreth video. A couple of days ago I went to catch Joey live in Glasgow and it was absolutely outrageous. He is without a shadow of a doubt one of the most talented guitar players in the world today. And to be able to do everything he does in his tuning is very interesting to me. So I dug back into my mandates video and had a look at some of the lessons that he gives in there. I've done some tabs for each of the things that he plays, and yeah, hopefully you can learn something from this. Joey plays in open C tuning, but all of these ideas will work in open E or open D tuning, so good luck.
It's the same tuning as open E in terms of the intervallic relationships, 1-5-1, 3-5-1. I started, I mean, all my students who will see this will laugh, but because this is all we talk about. But I started originally with, when I was playing in open tuning, I knew one thing, that this is a major chord. Yep. And so from there, I kind of went from like, you know, this is a major chord. So I know that, you know, my relative minor is down a minor third from there. So if I play a major triad with the bass note down a minor third, that'll give me the relative minor. So I have 1 and 6. And so if I have 1 and 6, then I have 4 and 2, and I have 5 and 3. So by learning 1, 4, and 5, I also get my 2, 3, and 6 minor chords. Yep. So that was the first thing that I had in the tuning. And then from there I started to expand on, okay, well, inversions. I need inversions. So 1, 4, and 5. And then I take it across a fretboard in terms of, you know, sort of, there's kind of like this sort of resolution hierarchy. 1 wants to resolve to 4. 4 side steps to 5, which wants to resolve back to the 1. Sorry, my guitar's out of tune. So that kind of idea, and then working through those inversions with understanding how to make the relative minor. So, you know, the 5th of the major chord, 1, 3, and 5, raise that up to the 6th. That gives you your relative minor. And then the same with the 4 chord and the 5 chord. So that's kind of the way my brain works in terms of sort of music stuff. It's very triadic. It's very much on that sort of simple idea. Then with the tuning, you know, because there's octaves, I'm giving away all my secrets here. Because there's octaves in the tuning, I can take this inversion and I can widen it by just... So by moving across a fretboard with the inversions, I can also move up and down through the string set. And then of course I can... You can start to move around harmonically. Yeah. So anyway, that's in a nutshell, like everything.
So with those examples out of the way, I just dug a little bit further into the interview, and there's a great couple of moments where Joey does some playing on his Telecaster with palm benders. He seems to be very good at integrating these into his playing, and as Joey's such a fluent improviser, I put him on the spot a little bit and asked him, you know, if you were to play one of your songs that isn't played on that Telecaster, would you be able to fluently integrate the palm benders into it? So I asked him to play the song Whiskey, and I asked him to play Made Up Mind, and he absolutely performed. Check it out, it sounds something like this.
C. Okay. Yeah.
An outrageous player, I'm sure you will agree. So as a closing thought, I just want to say thank you to some of my supporters over on Patreon. They make videos like this and also the original interview with Joey possible. If you haven't checked that out, it is on my channel. I will link to it at the end. So thank you very much for supporting me, guys. If you would like to be like those guys, you can check me out on Patreon by clicking this button up here. You can subscribe by clicking this button down here, and you'll see 2 more videos here and here. One is my interview with Joey Landreth, and another one is a live video of Joey. You absolutely have to check him out. He's an outrageously talented guitar player, great singer, great songwriter, and a very nice guy to boot. So, hurry up with that album, Joey.